In this video, I will be showing you how to install PDF proofreading marks on a Mac in Adobe Acrobat. First thing you need to do is quit Acrobat if it is already open. Next, you need to download the file by clicking on this link, and it will appear in your Downloads folder. From here, you need to move it to the Stamps folder. To access this, go to Finder, go to Folder, and then copy this library link across. Go. Then Application Support, Adobe, Acrobat, DC, and Stamps, and copy the downloaded file across and close the Finder. Next, we restart Acrobat and open the file you'll be working on and zoom in on where you need to make an edit. In this side panel, go to the comment icon, and along the top, go along to the stamp icon. And there are two ways you can import a stamp. You can hit Show Stamps Palette and go down to the Proofreading, and all of your stamps will appear. You can click on one and then click and drag to place it in the document. Or otherwise, you can go down to Proofreading here and then scroll through your options, click and place.